Hello! Today... thanks. That was about to start then. Just let it get finished. Hello! Today we're having a quick look. Quick video, long story short. Long river, going to home, want to drive a boat up it, built a huge wall either side of the river to stop you from getting stranded every 3 foot, and you can kind of bounce your way all the way to the top. If you've got a rib, I've got to do this before the sun sets. I'm going into the sunset. It's almost romantic. Now you're not supposed to block waterways on this server, so I've made sure to put ladders for anybody who falls in every few spaces, and bridges. It doesn't take up too much of the map, to be honest. It's actually quite scenic. So ordinarily, right now, I would be getting stuck and having to get out and push, and because the stream is constantly pushing you either left or right. I've actually managed to beach it. Fuck. There we are. Home. Back to my little boathouse. I've passed my driving test, honest. There we go. And we're home. Hop out. Oop. Close the doors. There we go. And what would have taken you a few minutes to get up to the top of the stream took less than a few minutes. Thank you for watching. Oh, I'll show you the outside. There we go. It's just a basic boaty base. I feel like I should have built on top of it. Maybe I still will.